Hi and welcome. It's Peg. It's almost August, and I want to talk to you about what's going on in August because, as you know, each month I have a lot of content coming out for you guys. So, first thing up is there are a number of artists on Art Joy of Sharing that are sharing bits and pieces with you about their artwork and processes. I also have videos coming out for Gina B. Aaron's design team mid-month, so keep an eye out for that. It should be a lot of fun. As you know, I've been working with a lot of alcohol, and it's all about on the wall this time. In My Creative Year, which is another Facebook group, we are doing a couple of challenges each month. So you'll see My Muse come out the first of the month, and then you will see a tutorial that comes out later in the month for My Creative Year. In addition to that, we always do a little tag for Tag It Tuesday. My friend Sherry has that going on. And then I have another collaboration, guys. Yay! You guys seem to like the collaboration. So I got a number of artists together. There's a different mix than there was last month, but keep an eye out for that because I will be doing some more alcohol ink. And then I've been working on some cool projects for Stencil Girl. I can't share that with you just yet, but that will be coming sometime in the near future. And then, of course, each Thursday there is Art Joy Sharing live stream with Chelsea, and that's a little different format this month. Because of the changes that YouTube is making, we are going to try out some different software. Please bear with us as we learn and grow. And as always, remember to be kind, love one another, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye for now.